Want to build your own online course website without hiring a developer? In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll show you how to set up a stunning, fully functional e-learning platform using WordPress. No coding skills or technical experience required. Let's start by installing the aBlocks plugin on your WordPress site. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Plugins section and click Add New. In the search bar, type aBlocks. It's one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly Gutenberg page builders available today. With 60+ advanced blocks 1000 plus active installations and a solid 4.9-star rating on WordPress. aBlocks is built to help you design beautiful, high-performing websites, all without writing a single line of code. One of the standout features of aBlocks is its massive template library, letting you launch entire websites in just a few clicks. Once you've found the aBlocks plugin, go ahead and click Install, then Activate to enable it on your site. Now let's import a ready-made education website template using aBlocks. Head back to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to aBlocks Templates. You'll find a wide selection of professionally designed templates created for different industries and website types. At the top, you'll see filterable categories. Click on the Education category. This will show you several beautifully crafted templates, perfect for individual instructors, training centers, or multi-instructor course marketplaces who want to showcase their courses professionally using WordPress. You can preview any template to see the full layout in action. Scroll through the design to explore essential sections like hero banners, course highlights or services, about and contact sections, student testimonials, call to action areas, and more. Once you've found a layout that fits your vision, click Start Import. Check the box that says Import with Images and then hit Import Now. In just a few seconds, the entire education website template will be imported and ready to use. Click Visit Website to see your brand new site live in action. And that's it. You've built a fully functional, professional-looking education site in minutes, with zero coding and just a few clicks. Next up, let's dive into customizing your site to truly make it your own. Click the Edit button on your home page to launch the page inside the WordPress editor. Thanks to aBlocks, you now have access to 60+ powerful Gutenberg blocks, giving you total creative freedom to design a site that's both fully functional and visually stunning, no coding required. Let's start by customizing a section of your education website template to better reflect your brand's personality, style, and messaging. You'll be able to tweak every detail, from layout and text to icons, colors, and spacing, so it feels like your site from top to bottom. Let's add a finishing touch to the hero section, a smooth hover effect for the button. To do this, simply navigate to the Style tab of the button block and apply your preferred hover color or animation. This adds an interactive feel that boosts engagement right away. Now, let's build a call to action CTA section for your landing page. First, insert the aBlocks container block. Set the container direction to row for a side-by-side layout. You can also adjust the container size for perfect spacing and balance. Inside the first container, add a heading block. Input your CTA headline. Fix the alignment. Set a bold text color. And fine-tune the margin for visual balance. Below the heading, insert a button block. Change the label to Start Learning Now. You can also customize the button background color to match your site's branding. Next, move to the second container. Insert a paragraph block. Add supporting text. Adjust the alignment and text color. Below the paragraph, insert an image block. Set a border radius to give it a clean, rounded look. Once everything looks good, click the Save button to apply your changes. Now, preview the website to see your engaging, professional CTA section in action. And there you have it, a stunning, fully customized landing page built with aBlocks and Gutenberg without writing a single line of code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a future update. Thanks for watching and happy building with WordPress.